Hey guys, welcome to a new video, short intro series 5. In today's video, we will discuss subscript and superscript. A subscript actually it is right for chemical formula to add a subscript text to an HTML document. And subscript text is half of a character below the main line and is often in a smaller font, while superscript sup script or tag is used to insert a superscript text into an HTML document. Superscript text is half a character above the usual line and is often in a smaller font as well, and usually we use it in the mathematical formulas. Let's implement practically. uh, Here we want to write a chemical formula of water formula. For example, if we write H2O, let's see how it will look like. You can see H2O, it doesn't work. We need to write in a special way, like H sub 2, and here we write O. Now see, look, H2O. Now this is how we write it. BR we use to break a line. BR we use a break line. H2O. Okay. Now write a chemical formula of sugar formula. C12 H22 O11. Now see how it writes. Break the line. You can see sugar formula C12 H22 O11. It works. It look nice now. Now write a superscript. Usually we write a superscript formula for mathematics, like we use a to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So how we will write it? A sup a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now see how it works. You can see a square plus b square plus 2ab. It's very simple but very important things to write in HTML and show the values in the browser page. So this is all for today's videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.